Hello, and welcome to Exposing Truth Ministry for another Health Nugget. And it's this time again where it's Health Nugget for children by children. And what I've been finding, Brother Justin, welcome. A lot of the health nuggets that are presented for children, adults can benefit from them too, right, Justin?
Yes, they can.
Absolutely. So, what will you be telling us about today, Brother Justin?
Today's lesson will be about facing your fears. What does being afraid of something mean? Being afraid of something is an emotional response to something that may be dangerous or threatening. It can be unpleasant, strong emotion that is caused by anticipation or aware of danger. Fears can also be accompanied by increased autonomic activity. How does God help you face them? Isaiah 41, verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalms 27, verse 1. The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I fear? Psalm 34, 4, verse 5. I sought the Lord, and he answered me and delivered me from all my fears. Those who look on him are radiant, and their face shall never be ashamed. Second Timothy 1, verse 7. For God hath not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and a sound mind. Why doesn't God just leave us? It's because God loves us and will never forsake us. No matter how much sin we have done, God will always try to find a way for you back to Him. What to pray for when it happens? You should pray that God will take you through the trouble that you're having now at that moment.
Those are some interesting thoughts that you have there, Brother Justin. Do you have anything else to add? Because I'm thinking about fear. You know what? The opposite of faith is fear. If we don't have faith, we're going to have fear. And what are some things that children will fear? You might fear, I'm not going to pass this exam. You're going to fear, I don't want to do this because that's too hard. Fear, you shared some powerful text to tell us that we do not have any reason to fear. Said perfect love cast out fear. Fear is crippling, but faith is freeing. Do you have anything else that you want to share with us about faith? Fear, because fear, as we talk about fear, is the opposite of faith. So as God helps us to build our faith, fear disappear because we learn to trust God and not listen to fear. Anything, Justin?
And the only person you should fear is God, because He will make you not fear anything else.
Amen. And that's the three angels' message. The first it says, fear God and give glory to Him. Thank you so much for sharing, Brother Justin, that we have no reason to fear. We have no reason because God is with us. His love will cast out fear. Do you find yourself fearful sometime as children? Probably fearful of the dark, fearful of what's on the bed. We don't need to fear. We trust in God. Thank you for watching. And may God continue to bless you as you allow Him to use you and bless you, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you, Brother Justin.
You're welcome.